Hey my Gapsters, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much. I swear to God, I don't know what's going on with my voice, but I feel like I never got my voice completely back. But whatever. As y'all can see, this video a little different. It is a hair review, but I got on her scarf. If y'all hear any noises, it might be my heating system. You know, it is getting cold. Yeah, so anyway, this is the wig I'm be doing. It's the melted hairline. I think you say this Lilyanna. I got her in one. As I told y'all, I've been sticking to like more just natural hair colors. I do want to do one last color before the year is out. And yeah, so this is going to be a mini video of showing you how I slay my hair. I'm going to try my best to like do it quick because everybody, it is quick because everybody be like, do you, how you do your hair, da da da. I not good at explaining it, but I can show it, hopefully. I'm going to take this off. I already, of course, like braided, got my hair braided, all that stuff. Now, mind y'all, I just did a wig review, so this is like still that stocking cap. So, I'm going to take that off. Now, this part, I cut the stocking cap in the front. I don't do that whole, like, the ball cap method. I just cut it in the front. And then, actually, I took the little band and tied it in the back to make it still tight. So, this is the... If you don't know how to do the ball cap method, but you still want to achieve that effect. Like I told y'all, the stuff I do is very beginner friendly. I hate spending a whole bunch of time on stuff. Let me show y'all what products I'm using. This is a must. I like this way better than the yellow. Some people do the yellow. I don't like the residue, the yellow leaves. This leaves residue, but it's clear. So you'll need that. I love this. I use this every time I install a wig. Make sure you get your shade. This one is, I should know this, medium dark brown. Because your girl is brown, period. This, gotta have this. Got to be the yellow can. Now this is, I wasn't using this when I was like first, like installing wigs and stuff, but like since like this year, I'll say this has been a new fave of mine. It's actually none in there. That's how I'm like that. So this, I like this lace glue. I can't even talk, y'all. I'm trying to talk all fast. I like this lace glue. This is Kiss. This is, I gotta buy a new one. It's all dirty and dingy. I like this because it has this side to it. Let me clean this up. It has this side. It has two sides, or when you want more of a like precise, it has one like this. I'm still learning the camera. Okay, y'all. So anyway, yeah, did I show? Oh, of course you're gonna need scissors, a brush, let me see here, and I got this comb because when I do my baby hairs, I use a comb. I might switch and use a toothbrush. Who knows? Like I said, you do what you do. Make it work how it works. So right now, this process, you could take your black spray, and like I said, it's not, hold on, let me make sure I'm getting something out. It's not really the ball cap method because, like I said, this is, we just take this, spray it on here. You're going to spray it on there. You could let it air dry or you could get a blow dryer. Outre that process. I will be back when I done doing that. So all you're gonna do is get a blow dryer. Woo, 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 woo. But I don't want to show that on camera because that's just doing too much. I'll be back. Yeah, I am back. So blow dried it. Now this is where you get your glue. I'm gonna use this tip and I'm just gonna do one of these.
As y'all can see, you can still see some of my hair. This method is not perfect, but it gets the job done and remind you it is for beginners. You're going to mess up sometimes.
Consistency. Consistent. You're going to be, you can glue it down, I feel like. But if you're not, the spray, that black spray is going to hold that wig down. So if y'all see me looking here, that's because my mirror is here. So like I told y'all, this is why I don't do a hair tutorial, because yeah, this is so, I'm still learning the angles and everything. So anyway, moving on. Get that glue, put it on. Some people do 2 layers, some people do 3, whatever. I do 1 because your girl, as y'all can see, I move on to the next wig pretty quick. Blow dryer. I don't know where my other blow dryer is, but blow dryer. You're going to hit it with a boom, boom until this is clear. And then I'll be back with the next steps because I don't want to just keep. I promise y'all after this, I won't pause the video. So yeah, I'll be back. Y'all, I'm back. I know it's not completely clear, but that's fine. It's good enough for me. Like I said, this is my process. And if y'all can see, I'm using a brown cap. I don't really like the nude ones, but your preference. I just like the brown cap because it's just safe sign. More closer to my skin complexion. So, oops. Let me show y'all the wig. Hold on. I took it out the... my bad. No, I didn't. I was about to take it out the net. Mind y'all, this is this wig. Hold on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. This is this wig. This is what it looked like on the stock card. I never really felt like I tried this style before, so hopefully it's cute. It look cute. The curls look cute. I mean, not the curls. This is crimped. See, look. This how I know I ain't never tried this before, because I didn't even know what style this really was. But this is a wig. Let me back up. This is a wig. This was giving. Let me show y'all the inside, because I feel like I don't never really. Okay. Mind you, I only do synthetic units, so all I'm going to do is spray this with this spray. I'm going to spray it with that spray. And then, yeah, then we're going to put it on. And then we're going to cut the lace. And I just take some scissors to cut the lace. I feel like that part is self-explanatory. So, I'm going to come back. I know I said I wasn't going to end the video, but I just hate when the videos OD long. So, child. So, I'm going to come back when this wig is on my hair.
Yeah, I said hair and I meant hair.
And that way, y'all can see that process. But I just sprayed it so it could match more of my skin tone. I'm going to lay it on here. And yeah, we going to come back when I got to do the baby hairs as well. And then I'm going to give my final review. I'm going to wrap it up, y'all. Y'all, I'm back. I done cut the lace off. After I cut the lace off, I did go in with my black spray. Sprayed it along here. And then I used the blow dryer. I will say this is a close-up. I do think it's giving melted. Now, of course, we're going to make our life easier. So we're going to use the baby hairs that it came with. Why not? So this is when you need your little black gel. Put it on my hand. And you need your scissors. Feel like I'm getting tongue-tied the whole time. Now, let's pull out whatever baby hairs. Mind you, it did come with some, so let me... see right here. If y'all can see that. Hold on, not too close. Back up. This is a baby hair already, and this is one that came with the wig. I'm just gonna mold it to my liking. I like thin looking baby hairs. I don't like, I feel like the dramatic baby hairs is cute on some people, but I just like mine looking thinner, a little bit, hopefully more natural. So if I'm looking here at my mirrors here, as you can see, I'm just taking the gel, putting it here, and we're gonna start molding it the way that I want my baby hairs to look like. But that already look nice. So that's one. That was kind of quick. Yeah, so just pull out. The thinner the better, to me, if you're going for the natural look. Like, so the thinner the baby hairs, like not too much, just enough, the more I feel like it gives off natural. So, as you can see, my whole thing is easy. You can do this. I believe you can do this. So I'll be back when all the baby hair is done, and we'll be back for the final review on this wig. Thank you guys for watching this far. I appreciate you guys, and yeah, be back. Yeah, I am back with the final look. I'm gonna say hi to YouTube. She just woke up, so y'all see drool. Alright, can you go sit down? I'll be with you in a second. So, I am back. As y'all can see, this is the final look. My baby got a little bit of a cough. After I did my baby hairs, I used this to like pretty much lock it in position. So, you might still see a little bit of the residue, but like I'll get like a towel, clean it up. So, first of all, the hair is really pretty. I never had waves like this. I was scared to try like the crimped look because I was like, it's not gonna look cute. But this is cute. And I got her in a one. Everything on this stock card is accurate. Far as it's giving HD frontal, it definitely did that. Like I used makeup too for like the part in my part in around here. It comes in pretty colors as well. It did come with all these baby hairs. Was baby hairs that came with the wig. I just used whatever ones I wanted to use. I'm just in love with this stock card too. Like it's just so professional. It's pretty. So this is the look. Now as y'all can see, y'all, they have this part like open wide right here, but tight here. So what I'm gonna do is take like an eyebrow pencil and just clean it up so it looks closed in. That's how the wig came. So just be a little aware of that. But yeah, I'll give y'all 360. So front. This is what it look like from the side. This is what it look like from the back. Okay. And this would look like on the other side. So yeah, your girl's in love. This is different. Go get this. Go get it. I have no complaints. It's not, I feel like it's shedding because I did cut the lace, but it's only a little bit. It's not really shedding for real. The length, it's like right here, which I don't feel like it's bad either. It's manageable. So yeah, go get this wig. It's so pretty. I'm in love. Go get her. I hope y'all like this video. Like, comment, Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all the support. I hope everybody's enjoyed their holiday. And yeah. See y'all in the next video. So, bye.